Oh, look at this big present
Oh
for Daddy.
boy.
For you.
Oh, how am I supposed to open this?
I didn't know. I didn't know what it's going to be.
And here I was thinking I was only going to get clothes.
Yeah, oh, shut
I
up.
wanted to buy this Barbie, so I thought
This is from both your parents and myself.
It feels like maybe an iPad.
Oh, shut up.
I want to take this Barbie, so I can put the shoes
And you may not get anything for your birthday.
Oh! Oh my gosh! Holy cow! That is. Woo! Thank you. Holy cow!
What is it?
This is a saddleback leather classic briefcase. Only the best thing that you could possibly buy. Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
Can you put this? Can I put the shoes on?
Yeah.
No, Ariel. Ariel.
This is crazy.
Ariel.
You mean Ariel?
Yes.
Wow.
I can put the, I want
Thank
to
you.
put
Mm-hmm.
on her feet.